Today's blog post offers a few tips on how to manage financial stress. Tips and advice for finance professionals. Working in the finance industry can be both rewarding and challenging. The pressure to perform, long hours, and the ever-changing landscape of the financial world can lead to elevated levels of stress for finance professionals. However, there are several strategies that can be used to manage financial stress and improve overall well-being. Here are some tips and advice for finance professionals. 1. Prioritize self-care. It can be easy to neglect self-care when work demands are high. However, taking care of yourself is crucial for managing stress. Prioritize activities that bring you joy and relaxation, such as exercise, reading, or spending time with loved ones. 2. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being present now and non-judgmentally observing your thoughts and feelings. Regular mindfulness practice can help you reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. Try incorporating mindfulness practices into your daily routine, such as meditation, breathing exercises, or yoga. 3. Stay organized. Financial professionals deal with a large amount of information and data daily. Staying organized can help reduce stress and increase productivity. Use tools such as calendars, to-do lists, and digital organizers to help you stay on top of your workload. 4. Set realistic goals. Setting goals is important for staying motivated and focused, but setting unrealistic goals can lead to frustration and burnout. Be honest with yourself about what you can realistically accomplish, and break larger goals down into smaller, more manageable steps. 5. Connect with others. Working in finance can be isolated, but connecting with others can help reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. Try to build relationships with colleagues and other professionals in your industry. Joining a professional association or attending networking events can be a wonderful way to connect with others and gain new perspectives. 6. Seek support. If you are struggling with stress or other mental health issues, don't be afraid to seek support. Many companies offer employee assistance programs or other resources to help employees manage stress. You can also seek support from a mental health professional or counselor. In conclusion, managing financial stress is crucial for the well-being of finance professionals. By prioritizing self-care, practicing mindfulness, staying organized, setting realistic goals, connecting with others, and seeking support when needed, finance professionals can reduce stress and improve their overall well-being. I'm not a financial advisor. We appreciate that you took the time out of your busy day to watch our content. Thanks for your support. Please subscribe, like, and share. We upload content daily.